to Sky One.
Yeah, man.
Your #1 source for automotive entertainment.
That's right.
Sky One. It's one for a reason.
Morning, good morning. I have to go buy a toy. Looks really gray out. It's a Toys for Tots thing over at a car dealership over in Cary. Kind of fun. You know, if I was a kid, I would want a train set. But I don't know, you can't really find the stuff I used to play with. You can't find anymore. I used to love those HO cars, the trains and stuff. 392, baby. It's as big as it gets. So I got two. I got this Camaro. And I got, look at this Viper. This Viper looks awesome. I think whoever gets that's going to be really happy. The Camaros get the Rally Sport option. Alright, so here we are. We're at the Leaf Auto Park in Cary. And I'm here a little bit early, but I got a nice spot right here next to the Jaguar group. I already met a subscriber who has a channel. I'm not sure what his channel is. I want to take a look at some Audis like the S-types. This one over here. And good, how are you? And see. Well, I just want to see him up close. So you can see him here. I want to look at an S6, an S5. There's an S5 right here. Alright, if it gets choppy, it's because I'm trying to mute out some of the music because I'll get a copyright. I wonder if this is Polo's car. This looks like Chase Polo. Do I see him around here? Surprised because the weather is not that great, but there's a lot of people here starting to show up already, and we're early. Hasn't even started yet. Wow. Well, look at this car. SRT. Huh. I think I know whose car this is. And it's a yeah. Well, let's see. I'm recognizing cars, but I'm not seeing the people. I love the snowflake rims. Oh, it's a stick. Wow, his interior is really nice shape. If you have not been in a Trans Am, you've got to go for a ride in one of these things. Especially when the T-tops, he's got T-tops on this thing. It can be problematic, but with the tops down, oh my gosh, so much fun. Shaker hood. That's what I had on mine, radial TAs. I had a Formula, but it looked just like that same nose. Now with the Formula, I didn't get those flares on the front. I've seen people put them on the Formulas and they look really nice. The Formula has the two scoops in the front. Kind of like the Hellcats do today. The fourth Fairline. 390. Yeah. Back in the day, these things were pretty quick, man. It was a Torino. I thought it was a Fairlane. Torino fastback. He's got the Nixon. Wow, look at this. This is a really nice Corvette here. Wow. I'm surprised he took it out here today. Little Stingray. from. I'm getting a call. Yeah, look at that. Buick 8. I think so. It's different, you know. It's not the same old thing. It's different. Slow down, man. So I wouldn't bring Caitlin Classics.
Yes, sir.
All right, so Caitlin Classics is in the house. You need to subscribe.
Thank you so much.
Make sure you watch all the ads.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, look at this. Woo. Man, oh man, oh man. Oh boy.
Yeah.
See, I want to go to Italy sometime and rent one of these, at least for the day, just for the day. I know it'll cost me up the you-know-what, but it would be worth it to drive through the Tuscan hills in a Ferrari. Maybe not this particular model, but any Ferrari, it'd be fun.
We'll need your information. If you want to donate toys
look at
for
the
Toys
size
for
of that
Tots, we're taking
thing.
those in the black car hauler just behind Majestic Solutions.
That's called the land yacht.
So please bring
Good
your
old
toys over
Cadillac.
for that. If you have to go to the bathroom, all the dealerships are open. You can use the restroom.
Oh, look what I found. Ooh, 124. Oh, this is what I need right here. Oh boy, 124. I think my wife would notice. I don't know if she would notice. I'll just tell her I had to change it for a red one. Same color too. Are you number 6?
What?
Are you number 6?
Numbers, are you making a funny there?
Yeah, you know, The Prisoner, the show, remember the TV show, The Prisoner? Oh, it's a tight fit in there, isn't it?
Oh yeah. I don't usually have the side curtains on, and I really didn't need it this morning. It wasn't as cold as I thought it was going to be.
Beautiful ride.
This is actually the tape one.
Look at right-hand drive and everything, yep.
Ooh, I got a little mud, didn't I?
Because on the preview of that show, they played the RPMs on this thing. Yeah, the RPMs are pretty high.
Well, they go high. I mean,
Yeah.
but it's, you know, it's not, I mean, high is high. I mean,
Yeah. So William called me. He's gonna come down, I guess. I guess he wanted me to check it out first. But, yeah, so I like this. The big mouth is nice. Got a newer motor in it. Modified the handles. Door handles are all tucked in. So I don't know if this is 70. Let me see if I can tell what year it is. 72? 71?
playing pop pitch. Going around the cone.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers.
Guess there's supposed to be a front coming through, so I don't know how long I'm gonna hang around here. I bump into subscribers. I just bumped into my 3rd subscriber. But yeah, oh, look at this. There's another red one. This is the Hellcat. I just love red. My last one was red, but it was only an RT. Only an RT. But I like the sound of an RT 5.7. They sound really good, but yeah, I couldn't go red again. Well, I could have, but I don't know. It was really nice. And I'm not a fan with the flat black hoods. I don't know. Some people really like that. I'm not. I'm more like something like this with black stripes on it would be my take. Little bug. Something about a bug, it just makes you smile. Monte Carlo. You know, one of the cars I had before I got my RT was a Monte Carlo. I had a 2005 Monte SS supercharged. It wasn't all that fast though, even with a supercharger, but I could have changed the pulley, but I wasn't in all that back then. You're doing it now though. Trans Am. Gosh, if you've ever owned a Trans Am, you'll know. This is just so much fun. Nice car. Oh, he's got a roll cage in that thing. Vermont, huh? Bernie Sanders country. All right, so I'm using the little swizzle stick here to hold the GoPro now, and I've noticed in the past it tends to be a little bit not straight. We'll see. I like these M4s. I love this color too, just like Pope Drago's color. Thinking about gray cars, people don't see them. They'll cut out right in front of you. My Mazda 6 was that color.
Majestic Solutions has plenty of product here for detail. It is for purchase. They also are giving away a cordless polisher today and several gift cards. So you can come up and get a raffle ticket. And if you have a cash donation for Toys for Tots, you can give that at the Majestic Solutions tent as well.
Moonlight, that look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive.
Oh, there it is. He brought it over here. Oh man, they're totally tempting us now. What do you think? Because I can afford this. Oh, I got a dingy stain on the seat. That's a real problem there.
Nighttime, you and I, we come alive.
Okay, so William brought Bruiser. Here it is right here.
Hey John, you know why that car looks so good underneath the hood? See that red tag? This stuff right here.
What's that?
It's a decal.
Oh, okay.
It repels dirt, dust, and grease.
You got a case of it?
I go through it like crazy.
Did you put your front strut bar on yourself? Now, was there a center support? Is there a center bolt on there or no? No? I like that one. Where did you get that one from?
Speed Logics.
Okay. Oh, I've used that stuff. The quick deal too. Your car has to be real clean though, because it doesn't take off dirt. It goes over it. Speed Logics. Yeah, I've seen it. Okay.
About $320.
That one's different than the other ones with double.
Yeah, it's meant for the red eye. That's why.
Okay. How was just telling William I'm not going to win, and I won. That first person they called out was me. I couldn't believe it.
And that
Thank you.
detail, you're gonna love that detail.
Yeah, I got one. You guys gave me one of these once.
Really?
At Nightdale.
All right, you had the cars and coffee?
Yeah. So,
Long time and a lot of curiosity to do something like that. It really does. Those kind of cars you don't want to wash much, so you don't scratch your paint. You know what I mean?
yeah. The thing that we don't get that we had was the dashboards. The dashboards in these older cars were so gorgeous, you know?
Aren't they?
Oh my
They
God,
look
and
hard.
especially like the Cadillacs and stuff. It was just, oh.
Yeah. And the way they made themselves unique when they built these cars, they just don't do that anymore. You know what I mean? Oh.
Hi!
Tell me about your channel.
So, her name is Merpinksis. That is the hashtag, not pound sign, hashtag Merpinksis. And I am starting my Insta and my Facebook.
And we're talking about the tops and all?
Top, this is my top. That there's only about 1,000 Jeeps that have them right now. The current closest installer is Atlanta, I do believe. And check this out, guys. It is a power soft top.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Literally, you can
Just
stop
like
at
that.
any stoplight. Just unhook
Yeah,
it,
my
pop
friend
it.
had all the snaps and everything. That was a pain.
Yes, this is totally different.
Yeah. I like the color. It's pretty good. It
Tuxedo
matches your
pink.
outfit
Yes,
there.
I
Yeah.
actually got a custom shirt made.
All right. So check her out. Hey, you guys have one of these Jeeps and you're looking for a top.
So where do I go?
Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. Yeah, we come alive. Oh, we come alive.
Not as pretty and new looking as it was when I bought it.
Well,
The header's on there.
TLC and I'm surprised you went with the black
Should get the cutoff
motor,
switch.
or black block versus
Well,
doing red.
I bought it like this,
Yeah,
but the 74 has the black
yeah,
valve covers and all that.
gotcha. Yeah, I would have dressed it up, make some pop in it, you know what I mean? Maybe that's something you can do in the future.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, congratulations
Okay,
to
so
Malcolm.
this one won a prize.
Go over to the check-in tent and
Studebaker.
get your award.
You don't see many of these around.
Our highest mileage car today goes to number 82, 1988 Nissan 200 SX. That is Christopher Scott. Congratulations.
Last chance on this bad boy. Trying to warm up out here, but the weather is still kind of gloomy. But it was actually a pretty good meet here. I'm probably gonna check out in just a little bit. So I'm not sure.
I like this cyclone. That's good looking. You
Oh,
don't see
the
no
paint
very much.
scheme is nice too.
It is nice.